Prime Minister Narendra Modi today held the people-driven war in India against the coronavirus disease, said it will be discussed in the future. He said this during his monthly radio program Mann Ki Baat. Suggestions and phone calls for his edition of Mann Ki Baat are many times higher than the usual. Prime Minister Modi said that India's fight against coronavirus is people-driven. It is fought by the people and the administration in close collaboration. India reported 1,990 new cases of the coronavirus disease, 561 more than Saturday, and 49 deaths in the past 24 hours, the Union Health Ministry said this morning. The ministry's COVID-19 dashboard showed 19,868 people have been infected by SARS-CoV-2 and 824 people have now died of the respiratory disease across the country. The number of patients who have been cured or discharged has also gone up to 5,803 this morning from 5,062 from a day earlier. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray said that 80% of COVID-19 patients are asymptomatic and 20% are there who have mild, serious or critical symptoms. Uddhav Thackeray urged people to have tested if they show symptoms. Meanwhile, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi demands Centre to scale up random testing in India to beat COVID-19. He further said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi needs to act fast into the matter. While the entire globe is battling with COVID-19 pandemic and the distressing times continues, government and its agencies are doing their best in delivering relief materials to every corners of the state. Many social workers, volunteers are also doing their bit for the cause of humanity. Many villages from hills came down to the valley and distributed varieties of vegetables. Lamphel police detained around 30 curfew and lockdown violators at Tera Bazaar in Imphal this morning. Altogether, 17 two-wheelers and 3 four-wheelers were picked up under Motor Vehicle Act for defying curfew rules and COVID-19 lockdown protocol, a report said. Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation Lokeshwar Laisangbam, under the supervision of Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchand, distributed ration to the residents of Singjamai Ward number 17 today. The distribution was carried out in collaboration with Oinam Thingel Aikhoi Club. Tangleibung Semgatpa Baharol Oinam Municipal Council and local club organizations under the supervision of Project Director of Manipur Public Works Department Yumnam Joy Kumar distributed ration to 2,100 households of Oinam Khul. Members of United Meitei Society of Assam provided essential items to the residents of Rajbari and Bagador of Patharkandi in Assam during the second phase of distribution under Essential Food Items Distribution Campaign. United Meitei Society of Assam said that they will continue to provide items to the people during the lockdown. Pradhan of Yaro Bamdia Gram Panchayat under Imphal West District, Laitanthem Sarojini Devi, along with 8 ward members, distributed essential commodities to 1,400 households of 8 different wards today. The items included potato, onion, salt and washing powder.